Reka AI has released this fantastic multimodal assistant, which is called as Yasa 1. Yasa 1 is a multimodal assistant which processes visual, auditory, and text inputs with code execution capability. The salient features of this Yasa 1 include long document handling, retrieval augmented generation or RAG, and it also supports 20 languages. It also provides you a search engine link and code interpretation. So one assistant which does a lot of things. The great thing is that this Reka AI is now available via APIs such as these in Python, and then you can also use Docker for on-premise or cloud deployment. This is still in private preview, and as soon as it gets released, I will create a video on as how it works and how you can create it locally and share it with you. One of the cool things I wanted to show you in this is that how much comprehension this multimodal assistant has. For instance, here to this audio, it is just some thunderstorm. It is just the audio of some thunderstorm, and this assistant has processed it and has on the right hand side you can see that it has correctly identified what the weather would be like. So let me play it. So you can see that it was thunderstorm, and on the right hand side it has predicted that the weather outside is likely to be cloudy and rainy. And then when we asked it, why do you think so? It has provided that this reasoning that sound of thunder is a common weather indicator and so on. And there are various other examples on this website which Reka has shared where they are doing predicting or video continuity and also some classical music comprehension, and there are various other examples. And then you can see how the search and retrieval is done, the RAG is done, and the code I already showed you. And then they have did some benchmarking and how it compares with the other models, and then some other information around code interpreter and a small demo video. So pretty cool. I will drop the link of it in video's description. I would suggest that you try it out and let me your thoughts. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.